Now, there are several traffic methods that you can use, but I'll just list a couple of the traffic methods that I like to use and that a lot of marketers actually like to use and have used with success. Okay, the first one here is solo ads, and that is where you pay someone that has a list to email their list your offer. So you provide them the swipe or the text to put in their emails, and you would provide them with a link to your squeeze page. Okay, and you could do a Google search for solo ad networks out there. Just off the top of my head, my favorite one is Udemy, Udimi. So go to udemy.com, and that's a great solo ad network, and that's where you could rate uh, and provide feedback on solo ad sellers, and you could see how good of quality their traffic is before buying from them. And there are others out there. You could also just contact vendors and also other people that are already in your niche and just ask them if they could email their list if they have a list. Okay, another traffic method you could use is ad swaps, and this is a free traffic method, and is where you agree with someone else that has a list, to basically email each other's offers. So the only problem with this is that you would need a list first if you're going to do an ad swap with someone. So to start off with, I do recommend you purchase solo ads first. Another traffic method you could use is YouTube videos, and of course this is free. You just create videos or purchase PLR videos and edit them a little so that they are unique. And because if you do upload duplicate videos on YouTube, they will not get approved. Okay, so create videos. So this is a free traffic method. It does take time and effort, but again, it is free. So if you have the time, you could create videos and put a link under the videos, a link inside the description to your squeeze page.